Ever sent an email only to get a frustrating mailbox full bounce back? This common issue, SMTP Error 552.5.2.2, means your recipient's inbox has hit its storage limit. It can disrupt communication, delay critical information, and impact businesses. This error occurs when an email server rejects an incoming message because the recipient's mailbox is full. It's a widespread problem, especially with free accounts or business plans with strict storage quotas. This can lead to communication breakdowns and significant delays. Several factors contribute to this error. Email providers like Gmail or Outlook set storage limits to manage server capacity. Free accounts often have lower limits, while business plans, though larger, can still be restricted. Large attachments and thousands of unread messages, like newsletters, quickly consume space. A salesperson receiving daily reports with large files might unknowingly max out their quota. Misconfigured email settings, such as not deleting messages from the server after downloading, can also lead to unexpected overflow. Automated email forwarding, if set up incorrectly, can create duplicates. If the delete after forwarding option isn't checked, both original and forwarded emails pile up, filling multiple mailboxes simultaneously. If you encounter SMTP Error 552.5.2.2, there are practical steps for everyone involved. You can't clear the recipient's mailbox, but you can optimize your approach. Try resending the email later. They might have cleared space. Always check for alternative contact methods like LinkedIn or a phone call. Monitor your bounce rate, as repeated bounces can harm your sender reputation. First, check your mailbox storage usage in your email settings. Delete unnecessary emails, especially large ones or old newsletters. Sort by size to find bulky messages quickly. Remember to empty your trash and spam folders, as deleted emails still occupy space until permanently removed. Consider downloading and backing up old emails to local storage or cloud services. If you consistently run out of space, consider upgrading your email storage limit or plan. Administrators play a crucial role in preventing this error. Increase mailbox quotas for users, especially high-volume senders. Implement automatic archiving to move old emails to cloud storage, keeping mailboxes clean. Monitor email storage reports to identify users frequently hitting limits. Educate employees on email cleanup best practices and attachment management. If multiple users face issues, consider upgrading your hosting plan's overall storage capacity. While Warmy can't clear a recipient's full inbox, it significantly improves your email deliverability. A poor sender reputation increases the chances of your emails being delayed or blocked. Warmy helps you avoid SMTP Error 552.5.2.2 by ensuring your emails have the best chance of reaching their destination. Warmy's automated email warm-up establishes and maintains a strong sender reputation. It gradually sends emails, mimicking human engagement with auto-replies and opens. This prevents ISPs from flagging your messages as spam, even for providers like MailChimp or Shopify. Our advanced seed lists use genuine email addresses for authentic interactions. If an email lands in spam, it's removed and marked as important. This leads to better recognition by ISPs like Google and Yahoo, improving your overall sender score and inbox placement rate. Don't let mailbox full errors derail your communication. Understanding the causes and implementing these fixes can save you time and frustration. For robust email deliverability and a strong sender reputation, Warmy.io is your solution. Visit Warmy.io today to learn more about optimizing your email deliverability. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with anyone struggling with email bounce backs.